Hey y'all, this is Brett Rogers, massage therapist, and I have a lot of videos on YouTube in regards to how to crack your own back by using one of these pieces of foam roller that I cut off of a full-length foam roller with a wood saw. And some people might say, is that safe? Can you do that every day? And I do it every single day because I'll get working on the computer or doing something, and pretty soon I feel this uncomfortable feeling in my mid-thoracic area, and then I just know that what I need to do is get out that little foam roller and roll on it, and it gives me instant relief. And I thank God that I have this thing. And anybody, including chiropractors, that say that this is not safe is full of absolutely. And what they have their interests in mind here. They don't want people to know how to crack their own backs. They don't want people to be able to get instant relief every day, any time that they want to, and they're going to downplay it and make up some bull that in regards to why it's bad for you. Well, first of all, as soon as I crack my back, I get instant physical relief. Then I get instant mental relief, okay? And so the mind and the body are directly connected, and so whenever you get one relief, you get the other. And so it's so important to listen to your body, and whenever you get pain or you have some kind of an uncomfortable feeling in that part of your body, then you need to take care of it as soon as possible. And that's why I teach these videos on self-massage and various other things. And so what I'm going to do right now is demonstrate how to crack your own back. So you just get out your foam roller and roll right in between your scapulas and along your mid-thoracic. And this will also help you to release the muscles. This will help to release the muscles in your back, especially if you do some cross-fiber friction on them by popping it back and forth, left and right. And don't get this aggressive when you first start out. Start out with a full-length piece and cut yourself off a couple of different lengths. Oh, it's so freaking good. And chiropractors will say that you can't work right on a spot. Yeah, right. I'll tell you, I am working right on one vertebrae right now, where it's tight, where the muscles around that vertebrae are tight. And you see, the reason that this is so important is because if you have an area in your back that's really tight, that's where those vertebrae are going to get bound, and they're not going to function. They're not going to work with full fluidity, and then they're going to need to be cracked. And so you need to massage those muscles and release them so that won't be needing to be cracked again. And the more you work that area, the less you're going to need to crack your back, and the better you're going to feel. And so do this regularly. I get this foam roller piece off of a big one. See those big ones over there? I like this little one the best for that particular purpose. When I'm rolling on that IT band, which is right here, then I use a larger one. And when I'm rolling on my lower back, I use a little bit wider one. And they're just an awesome tool. But someday I'm going to make them out of wood with with the natural rubber on the outside of them, and that will be even better. But it's just another little project that I need to get going on. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe if not already. Leave a comment in the comment box. Give a thumbs up by putting TU or thumbs up in the comment box. Thanks. Be well.